Now here is the video about how we assemble the LCD and the digitizer with the middle plate successfully. You know, the flex cable is very fragile, so we should handle this carefully. When the flex cable put through the hole of the middle plate, you should put much attention on this. Please press the flex cable with your finger, or you can use a screwdriver to press it to let the flex cable put through the middle plate hole successfully. This process is very important. And now, see it again, how we put the flex cable through the middle plate hole. Use your finger and a screwdriver to do the process together. And please do it softly, and do not use too much strength. Okay, now let's see if it can function normally. In this way, we can avoid the cracked flex cable. Now, power on. You can see the device can work normally now. The LCD and digitizer can work normally. It's okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.